Hi, welcome to Maptive. You may have noticed this Save Map View button on your left side. Now, most everything that you do in Maptive is automatically going to save on your primary map. So when do you hit that Save button? You want to save when you have a particular view that you would like to preview or see immediately. For instance, let's say we have a map where we have a radius in a particular place. And we've got that drawn radius. Well, we want to view this map at this zoom level for this radius. So this is a moment where we can save this map view. And so we may call this radius. And we will hit save, and we're going to see it change up here as well. Now we see that we're in the map view radius based on the when to save map. Now if I come back out here, we're going to zoom out. That radius is still there, but we're no longer zoomed in. You can find this map either in My Maps, Saved Maps, and you click on the little caret, which will open up the folder so that you can get back to that radius map. And again, you zoom straight in to where you are, or you can find it on your home screen as well, simply by clicking this little arrow, and then you can get straight into radius. So that is an example of when you would hit save. It's basically when you want to see a variation of your entire map just zoomed in close to a particular place, or with routes on the map, or in a general area, or even in a radius like this one. And that's how you know when to save. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.